Lenovo Legion Pro comes with a 6.65-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and 388 ppi pixel density. It comes with 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. Lenovo Legion Pro is powered by an octa-core processor that features 12.84 GHz Creo 585 and 32.42 GHz Creo 585 and 41.80 GHz Creo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 7nm Plus chipset, which is coupled with Adreno 650 GPU. Lenovo Legion Pro runs Legion OS based on Android 10. The phone comes in two variants, one with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage and another with 16GB RAM and internal storage 512GB. This device sports a dual camera setup. The rear camera of the device packs a 64-megapixel main sensor and 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The rear camera features dual LED dual-tone flash, panorama and HDR. The company claims that rear camera is capable of recording 4K video. It sports a motorized pop-up 20-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with LED flash and HDR feature. It is available in blue and black colors. It is powered by a non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging support, fast charging 90W, 50% in 10 minutes. 100% in 30 minutes as advertised. Connectivity options on the Lenovo Legion Pro include Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00 and USB Type-C 1.0. Sensors on the phone include fingerprint under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass.